Want to create WhatsApp click to chat link? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can create one. For this, you can either open your Notes app or open up any web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to type in wa.me because this is WhatsApp's web address. Then you want to type in /. Now enter the country code. For example, if you are in US, you want to type in 1. If you are in UK, you want to type in 44. Now follow it with your mobile number. So go ahead and enter that. Remember to enter only digits. Drop any leading zero after the country code. Once you have typed in your number, you can tap on the go option. Now you can simply copy this link, and this right here is your WhatsApp clickable link. Whenever someone heads over to this link, this is the interface they will see. Now they can easily start chatting with you. You can tap on the continue to chat option over here. Now you can use this link in your Instagram bio, YouTube description, website contact button, or email signature. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.